For more than 40 years, Larsen Equipment Design has been helping make the perfect lens and making them profitable. They have redefined optics and ophthalmic standards with cutting-edge solutions. Larsen's benchtop polishing and fixturing machines are built with stainless steel bodies and sealed bearings, making for a robust machine that's built to last for years of reliable service.
For the clients to be able to come in, look at the machine, actually see what it can do, see all the moving bits and pieces, and they're like, okay, I know what that does, I want it.
CEO Andrew Larsen is displaying precision polishers and quality beveling machines. The IAP 102 offers a counter-rotating spindle, reducing cycle times and increasing throughput.
This is one of our one-up polishing machines. We're able to get down to 10th wave. It's typically used on micro optics. It can polish less than a millimeter. It can polish probably up to about 18 to 20 millimeter lenses. It can do spheres, it can do aspheres. This is a workhorse.
A workhorse for sure, and with a range of customizable options and quality components, it fits seamlessly into any production line.
Typically, it's because of the versatility of this machine. A lot of labs and lens makers will use this to prove out their process and do proof of concept. And once they have that down on this, then they can move on to something more like this for actual production, which has obviously more spindles and is a much more production type machine.
The effectiveness of these polishing products is clear. These before and after images were given to Larsen from one of their satisfied customers, showing the extreme smoothness as a result of the polishing. Larsen is now adding to its proud history by acquiring R. Matthews Optical Works. Now they can offer their clients aspheric and acylinder lenses.
It's completely new venture because we're machine builders, and we've been basically helping people with their lens polishing and creating process. And now we'll actually be able to make lenses for those same people and save some of them some money as well.
With Larsen Equipment Design, you get industry-leading machines, supplies, and specialty lenses, but it doesn't end there. You also get the expertise needed to ensure that you're getting the most out of their product.
We sell machines, but we also sell service. We want to make sure that our machines fit into your process. So we have a full machine shop in-house, so we're able to make multiple different types of spindles on here. We can make threaded, we can make sockets, we can make tapers. We do AO tapers, we do O-Morse tapers, Brown and Sharp #2 tapers, any kind of thread that fits on your tooling. So we want to make fitting our machine into your process as seamless as possible.
To see their full line of quality products and services, go to larsenequipment.com.